Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best convertible mini cribs that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay. So let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Delta Children's Saint 4-in-1 Convertible Crib in Bianca White. This crib is designed to grow with your child, converting from a crib to a toddler bed, daybed, and even a sofa. It's a great option for parents who want versatility in their nursery furniture without sacrificing style. It features 3 adjustable mattress positions, allowing you to lower the mattress as your baby grows and becomes more mobile. The sturdy wood construction and GREENGUARD Gold certification ensure that it's free from harmful chemicals, making it a safe and eco-friendly choice for your baby. In terms of design and build quality, the Saint Convertible Crib boasts a sleek and modern look with a non-toxic painted finish. Its compact dimensions make it a good fit even for smaller nurseries. However, at 60 pounds, it's heavier than other options on this list, which could make moving it around more challenging. Assembly is required, but it's straightforward with the included instructions. While it doesn't come with a mattress, the crib is compatible with standard-size crib mattresses, providing easy customization for your baby's comfort. As for performance, this crib is durable and stable, providing a safe, sleeping environment. However, its lower customer ratings, 4.3 out of 5 stars, suggest that some users may have encountered issues such as cosmetic flaws or difficulty during assembly. Overall, this crib is ideal for parents looking for a crib that offers longevity and multiple use cases, but it might not be the best choice for those prioritizing portability or ease of assembly. Pros include versatility and safety certifications, while cons are its weight and lack of included mattress. Coming in at number 4 is the DaVinci Kalani 3-in-1 Convertible Mini Crib. This crib stands out for its timeless design and practical functionality. It features 4 adjustable mattress positions and can convert into a mini toddler bed and daybed, making it a fantastic option for parents who want furniture that adapts as their child grows. The crib is GREENGUARD Gold certified, ensuring a safer, cleaner environment for your baby by reducing exposure to chemical emissions and VOCs. Crafted from sustainable New Zealand pine wood, the build quality is solid and eco-friendly. The Kalani Mini Crib shines in terms of design, with its charming spindle details and compact footprint. At just over 35 pounds, it's relatively easy to move, especially with the removable wheels included. However, assembly is required, and purchasing the conversion kit separately adds to the overall cost. While it doesn't include a mattress, the crib is compatible with standard mini crib mattresses, giving you flexibility in choosing the perfect fit for your baby's needs. Its white finish adds a touch of elegance, making it a beautiful centerpiece for any nursery. Performance-wise, this crib provides excellent stability and comfort for your little one. Its customer rating of 4.7 out of 5 stars reflects widespread satisfaction with its durability and safety features. However, some users noted that the wheels could become loose over time with frequent movement. The DaVinci Kalani Mini Crib is ideal for parents seeking a blend of classic design and modern functionality, but it might not be the best choice for those on a tight budget due to the additional cost of conversion kits. Pros include its adjustability, sustainability, and aesthetic appeal, while cons are the added cost and potential issues with wheel durability. At number 2, we have the Delta Children Folding Portable Mini Baby Crib in gray. This crib is the budget-friendly option on our list, offering fantastic value for its price of just $126.32. It's designed for portability and small spaces, making it ideal for families who travel frequently or have limited nursery space. The crib features casters for easy mobility and folds flat for convenient storage. It includes a 1.5-inch mattress, which can be stored inside the crib when folded, adding to its practicality. The sturdy wood construction ensures durability, while the non-toxic finish and GREENGUARD Gold certification provide peace of mind for parents who prioritize safety. The two-position mattress height adjustment accommodates your baby's growth, allowing you to lower the mattress as they start sitting or standing. With a weight of 34 pounds, it's relatively lightweight and easy to maneuver around your home. Assembly is straightforward, and the compact dimensions make it a perfect fit for apartments or smaller nurseries. With a customer rating of 4.6 out of 5 stars, this crib has earned praise for its portability, ease of use, and affordable price point. However, some users noted that the included mattress is thinner than expected, and investing in a thicker mattress might be necessary for long-term use. Overall, the Delta Children Folding Portable Mini Crib is an excellent choice for parents on a budget who need a functional, portable crib. Pros include its portability, affordability, and safety certifications, while cons are the thin mattress and limited versatility compared to higher-priced models. Finally, at number 1, we have the Baby Trend Nursery Center Travel Crib and Robin. This premium option offers unmatched versatility, combining a crib, bassinet, changing table, and play yard all in one. At $199.99, it's the most expensive on our list, but the wealth of features justifies the price tag. The removable rockabye bassinet doubles as a standalone rocker, complete with plush fabric, mesh sides for ventilation, and a canopy with 2 hanging toys. The travel crib also includes a changing table, deluxe parent organizer, and large wheels with brakes for mobility. The design is thoughtful and user-friendly, with a one-hand locking mechanism for quick setup and a travel/storage tote bag for portability. The electronic music center is a standout feature, offering volume control, vibration, a nightlight, and soothing nature sounds to comfort your baby. Made from polyester, plastic, and metal, the build quality is robust yet lightweight. At 33.4 pounds, it's easy to move around your home, but its generous dimensions provide plenty of space for your baby to sleep, play, and grow. Customers have rated this product 4.7 out of 5 stars, highlighting its versatility and thoughtful design. While the price may be a deterrent for some, the convenience of having multiple nursery essentials in one product makes this travel crib a worthwhile investment. It's perfect for parents who want an all-in-one solution for both home and travel use. Pros include its multifunctionality, included accessories, and electronic features, while cons are its higher price and the need for batteries for some functions. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.